Hey guys, this is Anne. We're going to make a yummy vegan cheesecake recipe. That's 1 cup of almonds. We're making the crust, and 1 cup of pitted dates, the soft kind. Then I'm going to put 2 pinches of sea salt, Himalayan salt, or whatever sea salt you have. Then you can also add cinnamon if you'd like. But I didn't add in this recipe, so you just blend. Or is it process? Yeah, there you go. Then I'm just making sure it has blended nicely. Wherever some of the stuff has gone up, I remove and try and see, because you need it to be a consistent way you can hold it up, and the nuts have been blended properly. So just blend a little more. 2 seconds, that's it. So now I'm just going to put in the container. Now just press it all down nicely, or evenly. This amount of cheesecake, you can even make 2 bunches, because I ended up not using all the crust. I put some aside separately, but yeah, you can even make a bigger one than that with the amount I'm making. I just showed you for this one. So I just put all of it in there, sits nicely. Then after you do that, you put all of it into the fridge just to set even better. Now we're going to make the filling. We're going to put 2 cups of cashew nuts, 1 cup of soaked dates, obviously they are pitted. Yeah, maybe 3/4 cup of dates. But then we're going to put either 2 limes, the juice of 2 limes, or you're going to put 3.5 teaspoons of lime, whichever way you'd like. I tried both ways and they work both fine. Then we are going to put 1 vanilla bean, and I just cut to make it easier for the blender. Then 1 cup of coconut milk. Then we're going to put 3 to 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. It's just the melted coconut oil there I'm putting. Then later on, I think it will be too thick, so I'll add 1/2 cup of coconut water and the water of soaked dates, but I'll first blend it up. So that's here where I realize it's too thick, so now I add some coconut milk and a little bit of the soaked coconut, the water of soaked dates. That's the water that I'm putting. See, it still has a few dates in it. So it's like 1/2 cup. You can't see properly because of the lighting, but yeah, 1/2 cup. So I put half the amount, pour half the mixture into the bowl, and then I'll tap the container just to remove any air bubbles. You can't see it nicely, but yeah, that's what I'm doing, just pouring it in. Obviously tasting, it is delicious. It is definitely on point. Oh, these cheesecakes, when they get finished, I normally just keep eating more. So there it is. Then that mixture, I'll put it back in the fridge so that it can even set even more. Then I'm going to take spirulina. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of spirulina, and I put it into the container. going to realize maybe the spirulina will make it too dry, so I'll add an eighth of a cup of the water of the soaked dates, just a little, so it can blend easily. You see there, then I started pouring the rest of the remainder into the container. So I'm tapping just to remove air bubbles. And I forgot to show you after it has hardened, but I cut some pieces and you'll see the pictures later. But you just put it in the freezer for 45 minutes to 2 hours, then you thaw it for 5 minutes and cut into the desired pieces, and then you can enjoy it. It is very, very nice. Whenever this gets finished, I normally add even more of the mixture. So I normally cover it with a foil.
Finding out anything we've done wrong in the past and to make very sure that it doesn't happen in the future. I was scared still. There were a lot of people that wanted us to go out of business over that weekend, and I didn't know what was going to happen. And behind his folksy demeanor, there's one of America's shrewdest and toughest businessmen.
You don't make $40 billion by being Mr. Rogers or by being one of the Muppets. Warren takes no prisoners when it comes to a negotiation.